Unprecedented precision, quantitative edge, stunning results. This is Jensen Code. Join the community as we help you grow. Remember, it's not what you can make, but what you can keep.
Exactly. Not what you make, but what you can keep. So let me show you how we implemented that in today's market recap. As usual, we'll be going over our morning thesis, the trading ideas, and the actual trades taken. Let's first take a look into the PnL and see how we did today. Looks like we are closing up today about $1,852. So not bad, it's about 76% accuracy. Overall, pretty good day. Let's go ahead and pull up the plan right here. Okay, so I'll go over the morning thesis, which we discuss live for members each and every single day. So if you're interested in learning more about the community, I'll briefly go over that later in details in the video. First, let's talk about today's plan. It was actually quite an interesting day, and we were coming into an interesting position on the chart. You can see here's the morning post that we put every morning for the members. And today's SPY range that our AI system had given us was 396.39 to 397.72. Where are those numbers? Right here. 396.39 to 397.92. That was going to be the designated range today, with a key breakaway zone being up here above this teal line. If bulls were able to complete their mission, which they were not. You can see here. Let's go ahead and read through this. SPY range today, 396.39 to 397.92. With SPY bulls looking to close the day well above the range, but SPY bulls need to keep the bullish sentiment today, which will also help them mechanically. Okay, SPY bulls need to keep all 60-minute closes above the range to keep them in favor of the dealer. Very key detail there. SPY bulls, for any reason, closing two 15-minute candles above 486, opens the pocket above for further squeezing to 402.96. Let's take a look at that. That's what that teal line is there. And there's that 402.96. Now let's take a look at a brief chart and see what actually happened. Okay, here is the chart. Let me pull up the SPY for you guys. So here's the SPY. Let's get a little bit of a closer look. Immediately out of the open, we had a nice quick dip based off of our line here, which we call our structure line. Okay, started to reclaim it, and SPY bulls went ahead and shot for those two 15-minute closes. Notice this is a 15-minute chart. Here they were able to achieve the first one, okay, but they were not able to achieve the second one. So what's that tell you? How do you read that? Okay, those of you members already know, but those of you who just watching these YouTube videos and just getting the daily free reports, you would read that as a rejection of the two 15-minute closes, meaning you're going to the next most logical place of support or resistance. In this place would be support, which is the top of range right here. Okay, so price went down right down to our top of range, which would be support for the day. And notice that is 397.92 from the report. Very, very great stuff. Now let's take a look at the actual trades we took. Okay, here, I'll pull this up over here. First, let's go ahead and pull this up on the mine so you guys can see. Those of you who don't know, we do provide the report here free for everyone. You just come in, give us an upvote right here by the arrow up on the mine section. And you can see the daily report free for everybody. Now, the actual trades we took today were quite interesting. So we went ahead and waited on the open right here. Didn't do anything. Right here was the open, 7:30 or so. So just as we were coming up into this level here, prior to open, went ahead and took a short position. Why? Because we had the level up here. We have our general range, which we're looking for, this orange section here. Okay, so we went ahead and took a short just as we were approaching that level, held through that, and we were looking for a downturn, which you can see here. This is part of the daily plan. We go a little bit more detailed in the daily report on the daily plan, and we end up giving to our members projections and what to look for based on our percentages. Okay, so today's percentage was looking at 80% to close the day above a specific number, which is what our members were looking for. Right here, we went ahead and took a long position. Note, we're still in this short. Okay, took a long position here. Go ahead and pull that up. Took a long position, ended up booking profits as we pushed through right there. Okay, and then right here, added to that initial short. Remember, we are in the cost basis from right in here. Added to that short, as we started to dip back down here, we started to book profits on that short just about break even, a little less than break even. So like right there, book profits on the short. Note we were already in this long from here to here. Book profits on that short and ended up getting the last bit of profits here as we approach this green level. If you guys remember that from earlier in the video, right there. Ended up for a nice, great day, both on the long and short side. Super cool stuff today. Then right here, went ahead and took a long trade. You can see where the number 2 came in. If you've been following these videos, you know that that's one of our key setups. Took a long position right there prior to the number 2 in anticipation. It pulled up, started to push. I had to step away from the desk, unfortunately, so I missed the to position myself correctly. Otherwise, I would have taken a hedge short there, booked a little bit of cushion, and it rode the rest of it out. So I was not able to ride the rest of it. So when I got back from the desk, was just as we were coming back down. So I went ahead and exited that trade right around there. So still a good profit, but not as much. Didn't capitalize on it as much as I could have. That's unfortunate because I had to leave the desk. Oh well. Then right here, gave that secondary entry. I was not able to enter that. A lot of our members entered that there. We're able to ride that out all the way. But those are my trades pretty much for the day. Our other members ended up catching this one. So between that entry and right here was our final entry of the day, final trade of the day for a nice big up thrusting push. Very good stuff there. Glad everybody was able to capitalize on that. And then we are looking for a specific number to close the day above. If you want to know more about that, come on in, join us. Join the free room. Find out more about how we have things structured here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look, see how the members did today. All right. Oh, notice our moderator did have a nice green day. So did, nice big one for him. Nice big green day. And the only 2 that have posted so far. I'm sure more will post later. But overall, great volatility, great action. This action is here to stay, guys. So if you're looking for this volatility to settle down in any way, shape, or form, it's not happening anytime soon. So enjoy it while it's here. Capitalize on it as much as you can, because there's lots more of this to come. So let me know how you guys did. Hopefully you had a great day. If you want to find out more, come on in, join us, join the free room, ask questions. Good, you don't have to sign up for anything. No sales in there. Just come on in, talk to us, say hi, reach out, ask questions. Lots of building a great community there of traders for everyone. So, well, that was it for today's opportunities. Like what you see and come join us and be part of a community built from the ground up to provide sustainable long-term results and help traders keep profits made. Learn the markets with us and venture into the world of AI-driven success. Well, I'm sure tomorrow will provide some more good opportunities. And remember, it's not what you make, but what you can keep.
Our AI and indicators are designed for high accuracy and success, even for beginner traders. Listen in on our daily live calls where we cover our trading thesis and guide you through our live trades. Need advice on things like risk management and trade ideas? Join us in our weekly meetings where you can ask us anything. Like what you see? Then join the community and use the tools we offer for your success.